All right, today we're going to talk about my favorite new time saver, the Scan and Go feature on the Walmart app. I am always looking for more ways to save time and be more efficient. So that's all about what the playlist this video is in, life hacks. Check out the rest of the playlist, a bunch of my favorite things to save time and money. Also, if this is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about my first experience with the Scan and Go feature on the Walmart app with my new Walmart Plus account. Hopefully this saves you as much time as it's going to be saving me in the near future. If you like this video, please give my channel a subscribe and check out some more of the stuff in the comments down below. If you know anything about me, you know I'm always trying to do things more efficiently. So now we're going to try out this Walmart Scan and Go app, and we'll see how this thing works. I'm really excited about this. When Amazon started rolling out the Amazon stores where you can just like go in and walk out and it charges you for stuff, like I got really excited about that. And I remember way back in the day when I was asset protection manager at Walmart, you know, Walmart was trying to work on ways where they would put RFID chips in every product so you could have a seamless checkout experience. And, you know, obviously that never happened, but it looks like maybe with the Scan and Go app, we're getting there. And with minimum wage, you know, probably going up to $15 an hour in the near future, you know, a lot of those worthless jobs are going to become even more worthless when we can just scan stuff and walk out of the store. So let's see if I can actually just scan my stuff, walk out of the store. This should be cool. I hate standing in lines, and if you're like me, you hate standing in lines too. So anything you can do to get out of the line, you will absolutely do. And so I think that's one of the reasons why we all love Amazon so much, is I can just go on and it's so easy to just click and stuff shows up to my house. I mean, here where I live, if I click on something in the morning, it's at my house in the afternoon. I mean, it's so fast, and we love that. But sometimes you just have to go to a store. Like, we don't have Amazon food delivery here, and so since COVID, we've been real into doing the Walmart. Because on Walmart food delivery, at Walmart you can get on the app, you go and you get your mobile pickup, and they bring it out to your car, and that's been super helpful. So what's this world coming to where we pay to shop? I have a Prime membership, I have a Walmart Plus membership. So we have all these memberships just to buy more stuff. But it's great, and I think here's my argument for the Walmart Plus and the Prime membership is the Scan and Go app on Walmart Plus. The Walmart Plus Scan and Go is super awesome. All right, so I already have Amazon Prime. Why do I need Walmart Plus? Now I have Amazon Prime and Walmart Plus. So why am I paying $250 a year just so I can buy more stuff? Here's why. Amazon Plus is super handy. So I love Amazon Prime, Walmart Plus, I get them confused. But obviously Prime, everybody, you have to have Prime. You can't live in America and not have Amazon Prime. But Walmart Plus, do you really need Walmart Plus? So this video is going to show you a little bit more about my experience with the Scan and Go app with Walmart Plus today. Something up. Maybe you don't get Prime same day deliveries, maybe there's no same day deliveries, maybe you just need something right now. I don't know. But with the Scan and Go app, you can just go to Walmart, you scan the stuff, put it in your cart, and then scan on your way out. What you need to do, before you get to the store, you do need to set up your Walmart app, if you don't have it already set up, and have your credit card in there. So if you've lived in America during COVID and you've used the Walmart deliveries, you already have this part done. So we already had the credit card saved in the app, so everything was good to go there. Then, when you get Walmart Plus, you have an option to select Scan and Go in your Walmart app. So when you go in the store, you'll select Scan and Go, and you'll just walk around the store and pick stuff up like you normally do. Now, the difference is when you pick stuff up, you'll now take your Scan and Go app and you'll scan the barcode on the item and put it in your cart. Now that you scan that item, the barcode, the item is going to show up in a grocery list on your Scan and Go app. And then once you purchase everything that you want, you'll go to the front. And this is the only part I don't like about the Scan and Go app, is you have to go to one of the self-checkout registers. So if you've already scanned everything, why can't you just check out on your phone? But you don't. So once you've scanned everything, you've got everything together, you need to go to a mobile checkout and you'll scan the QR code on the mobile checkout, and then that'll prompt you to pay on your app. And once you pay on your app, then you'll receive a receipt on your app. So I think that's the only real downfall of the Scan and Go app, is that when the self-checkouts have lines, you're still gonna have to wait in that line at the self-checkout to scan the QR code on the self-checkout register. So today, I went to the store because I needed soap. I was out of body wash. Well, body wash, I don't wanna, when I need it right now, I wasn't gonna order that on Amazon. So I wanted to go to the store and buy it, and there's a Walmart right by my house. So I went to the Walmart and I was able to just pick the stuff up, scan it, put it in my cart, and check out. One of the things that I think is like one of the biggest determinants of class in America is how much time you spend waiting in lines. Every time I'm waiting in a line, if it's the DMV or the grocery store, it doesn't matter where. When I'm waiting in line, I just feel like, man, this is like super low class. Like, there's gotta be some way. Like, rich people aren't doing this. Rich people aren't standing in this line. Why am I standing in this line? Like, and how do I get out of this freaking line? One of the big advantages with these mobile shopping things, mobile shopping apps, is that as labor wages keep going up, I mean, now I can be my own cashier. So I can go to the store, I can ring my stuff up, and then I can be my own cashier on the way out. It's getting rid of like all this waste, you know, like you don't need a cashier anymore because you can just scan your own stuff on the way out. I think it's inevitable, you know, like as like technology streamlines all this stuff, you know, that's just like more jobs that are becoming dinosaurs. Like the cashier is becoming a dinosaur because you don't need somebody to stand there and touch everything that I'm buying, you know, which that's a problem with COVID, like touching stuff and, you know. So now I don't need that. I can just go in and scan my stuff and check out myself. So I'm a pretty big fan. I like it. I like the Scan and Go app. But Walmart, if you're watching this, you need to figure out how to just let people pay without scanning the self-checkout. That's just an added step. It's not necessary. I don't know why. Maybe they're doing it so that way, like, everyone has to go through and you can get video of, like, the items in the cart, maybe. But, I mean, if you know why they make you go to the mobile checkout, they make you go to the self-checkout to scan that QR code, put it down below, because I don't know and I can't figure it out. It just seems like wasted energy to me.